Over 60? Before you go for another long walk? Hear this. And if you already feel stiff, sore, or unsteady, walking alone won't fix that. First, sit to stand. From a chair, stand up slowly, then sit back down with control. This strengthens your thighs and hips, the muscles that keep you independent. Second, heel raises. Hold a counter and slowly lift your heels. This improves circulation and balance. Third, wall push-ups. Gentle on the joints, but powerful for upper body strength and posture. Fourth, supported side leg lifts. Hold a chair and lift one leg out to the side. This protects your hips and helps prevent falls. Fifth, light marching in place. Slow, steady, controlled. This trains coordination and keeps your legs active without joint strain. These exercises protect your joints, improve balance, and build real-life strength, the kind that helps you climb stairs. Get out of chairs and move with confidence. After 60, it's not about walking farther. It's about staying stronger. You are not too old. You are not too late. Start small, stay consistent, and give your body the support it deserves.